Welcome guys, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today we will test if this feature with the faster recognition of the face unlock really works better than the normal. So we are going to make 5 tries, and of course here I get the stopwatch, and let's start with the normal face unlocking. So let me grab the phone and let's test for the first time. Okay, the phone is in a good position, so right now we can press the phone power button and the start button at the same time. So let's try if it is working really faster. So 1, 2 and 3. And the last one. Okay, as you can see, it's around 8 seconds, right? So right now we are going to turn on this faster recognition. Let's choose this one. Okay, let's try for the first time. Okay, so right now remember it's around 8 seconds. So we are going to reset, lock the phone, and then just click to start. 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, it is faster. It's almost 2 seconds faster than the normal face unlock, but as you can see here we got also the notification that we are able to unlock our phone with picture or the video. As you can see right here is description. Wait, where it is? Here it is. So it's less secure and video or image could be recognized as our face, but I just tested and honestly you cannot. I just print my picture and also I just take a photo with the 64 megapixels on the Zenfone 7 Pro, and I zoomed into my face, and I cannot use the face recognition with the picture or the print picture even when the faster recognition is tried on. So as you can see, the faster recognition feature really works on the S21 Plus. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!